Hey there, flower lovers! Did you know flowers aren't just for brightening up your room or saying I love you? Today we're diving into 10 unexpected and creative uses for flowers that'll make you look at blooms in a whole new light. Let's get started. Natural air freshener. Skip the artificial sprays. Some flowers, like lavender or roses, naturally freshen up your space. Just dry them, place them in a bowl, and enjoy the subtle, fresh aroma. DIY floral tea. Edible flowers like chamomile and hibiscus can be brewed into delicious teas. Just make sure the flowers are organic and safe to consume. Skincare wonders. Rose petals, calendula, and chamomile aren't just pretty. They're perfect for your skin. Add them to your bath or mix them into DIY face masks for a natural glow. Natural dye for fabrics. Want to add some color to your clothes or paper? Boil flowers like marigolds or hibiscus to create eco-friendly dyes with vibrant results. Home decor magic. Pressed flowers can turn into stunning artwork. Frame them, make bookmarks, or create custom greeting cards. It's an easy and personal touch. Insect repellent. Flowers like marigolds aren't just beautiful, they also keep pests away. Place them in your garden or around the house to ward off insects. Flavor enhancer for cooking. Edible flowers like violets and nasturtiums aren't just decorative. They can add unique flavors to salads, desserts, and even cocktails. Stress-relieving sachets. Make sachets with dried lavender or chamomile flowers to tuck into drawers or pillows. They'll help you relax and sleep better. Compost for your garden. Even wilted flowers can shine. Add them to your compost pile to enrich the soil and give your garden a nutrient boost. Flower-infused oils and candles. Use flowers to create scented oils or candles. Lavender and jasmine are perfect for relaxing scents, while citrus blossoms add a refreshing vibe. Pretty amazing, right? Flowers are more than just pretty faces. They're versatile, functional, and even tasty. Which of these ideas are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves flowers as much as we do. See you in the next one.